2 years ago, the biggest challenge faced by Action Manufacturing and its dealer network was awareness. Getting the chair introduced to disabled individuals and their families. Finding effective, affordable ways to tell our story and finding willing media partners to help. Fast forward 2 years and the storyline has changed. Awareness of the chair has skyrocketed, with different news organizations and media outlets telling the Action Track story almost daily. Today, the story of the chair and the difference it has made in people's lives is being told across the country and around the world.
The primary reason I went down to the Big Dog and Pony Show was to help Ed Henry and Fox News correspondent Jennifer Griffin. She's working with the Independence Fund to help U.S. military people who lost limbs in Iraq and Afghanistan. Some of them lost all 4 limbs. We want to get these brave patriots this high-tech marvel. It's called the Trackchair. I had to get President Obama on board with that program, and I did. Mr. Obama is going to help with the Trackchairs.
In the last 24 months, Action Manufacturing has had to respond to a rapidly growing demand. Additions of state-of-the-art automated equipment have resulted in a 5-fold increase in production output. Our production starts with the automated cold cut saw shown here. There are upwards of 100 individual pieces of metal that must be cut, prepared, milled, and prepped for production to begin. But equipment and numbers don't tell the whole story, as nothing happens without a solid foundation of skilled, dedicated employees. Even after more than doubling the staff in the last few months, the average production person still has been involved in the building of over 300 chairs. Several sets of eyes inspect every aspect of each chair as it's being built. It is inspected not once, but several times before it is approved for delivery. That is what goes on each and every day, with every step, every process focused on just one thing: the people who will ultimately receive the chair. But this is just the beginning. The real story begins when the chair leaves our shop and moves towards the eventual owner. It is these people that provide the purpose for what we do. At Action Manufacturing, we are committed to serving them with the best possible vehicle to get them outdoors. We must remember there is the chair and there are the people in the chair. We can never lose sight of them. They are the primary reason we are involved with the Action Trackchair.